Hi, Sherrie from the Preferred Perch today to talk to you about orioles, one of my personal favorite birds to attract in summertime. Many people come in asking how to attract orioles, and they do eat some unusual foods, so there are special feeders designed for that. Their favorite foods include grape jelly, oranges, and sugar water. So here's some examples of the feeders to offer those. This is one idea of a jelly feeder where it's a simple dish that you would scoop out some Concord grape jelly, and that will attract the orioles for that. These are orange feeders. So these you would slice your oranges and spike them onto this feeder, and the orioles will cling there and eat the oranges. You can also get the combo style feeders where we have both options on this with the orange spikes and jelly dishes. So the nice thing about these feeders is it's not just orioles you'll see. We get beautiful warblers and even catbirds that will come to eat these foods, so you can expect to see some very colorful birds at these feeders. This is another example of a very simple feeder with one jelly cup and the orange spikes. So the other food to offer is sugar water, which is very similar to the hummingbird feeders. So this here is an oriole feeder, which looks very similar to the hummingbirds, but the feeding ports are larger as well as the perches to be able to accommodate an oriole. So same food solution, 4 cups of water to 1 cup of sugar, never add any other sweeteners or coloring. And if you're ever having trouble with ants at your feeders, these are ant moats that you would fill with water, and the ants will not make it into the feeder to spoil your nectar. So having any of these feeders in your yard hung up by the end of April will ensure that you see some of the most colorful birds that we get here in summer. So stop by the Preferred Perch today and get your yard ready for some colorful birding action.